Yo, what is going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get free weapons in Murder Mystery 2 Roblox. This actually uses a working code that you can redeem in Murder Mystery 2, and it is going to unlock all weapons for free. This is working right now in 2026. Everyone can do this using a working MM2 code. Before I show you how to do this, guys, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm always searching for new Roblox game codes. So basically, guys, to get your Murder Mystery 2 free weapons code is use your mobile phone internet browser. You can see I'm using an iPhone here. I've been searching all morning for different codes. Most of them are either expired or not working, but I'm going to show you the best codes. So you need to basically use your mobile, open up the internet and go to www.crashcoupons.com. So you can pause the video and copy it down, because it is very important you type it correctly, and it's going to bring you to a awesome codes website. They don't only specialize in Roblox codes, they actually have tons of like console games. You can see they have like 007 and college football and stuff. So I do recommend, to speed up the process of finding the Murder Mystery 2 codes page, is use the search bar and just type that in, Murder Mystery 2 Roblox. As you can see, there are 3 verified working codes. Now this video is focusing on the free weapons code, but the process remains the same no matter which code you choose. As you can see, these are super popular. Obviously this game's gone pretty much viral and thousands of people are using these codes to benefit. So scroll down and look for the all weapons code. Unlock all weapons in Murder Mystery 2 Roblox. So click on get code. As you can see, this confirms your selection. There's some details. This is a very highly rated code, guys. Everyone's using this basically to get the free weapons. So this is going to give you one of these limited codes. So just wait for it to do that. Now, if this is your first time on Crash Coupons, you need to unlock your Murder Mystery 2 code, and that basically stops people taking the 850 plus codes remaining. So to get your code, you need to tap on this button. I've already done this. I did this morning, so I won't do it again. I don't want to waste a code. But you need to follow the instructions on this page and complete 2 of the tasks below. They're completely free, and they're basically things like mobile applications and surveys and free games. Just follow the text instructions to complete 2 of those. And if you do 2 of them, it's going to send you back to this page. Obviously, I've skipped forward, but if you do 2 correctly, your code will be revealed. So your Murder Mystery 2 Roblox unlock all weapons code will be shown. You can redeem it in game. And guys, that is how to get all weapons for free in Murder Mystery 2. So go to Crash Coupons. If you have any questions, let me know, guys. Make sure you do like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.